Alright folks, welcome to my channel, and now we are going to go over the harmony to All of Me. Alright, here we go. We're going to start off with the A minor chord. That's going to be on ACE. Next chord, ACF, which is an F major chord in first inversion, followed by a C chord, GCE, in second inversion, followed by GBD in root position. Again, so that's ACE, ACF, GCE, and GBD. And the rhythms that we use in the song All of Me by John Legend, the rhythm that he used, we call it the money pattern. It's going to be this rhythm. 1, 2, ready, play. We're going to repeat that 4 times, so just 2 more times. GCE, GBD, last time, ACE, ACF, GCE, and GBD. Going to the bridge now, alright? Now on the bridge, we have a D minor chord in root position. DFA, followed by a C chord, followed by G. Again, D minor for 8 beats. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. C chord, 2, 3, 4. GBD, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I have another recording, mixing, editing audio. With this same song that I'll teach you there the form and the structure of the song, how many measures and how many beats to hold each of those chord changes. Okay, so again, the bridge, DFA, followed by GCE, GBD, going to the chorus, which starts with a C chord, GCE. These also get 8 beats each. Going to A minor, ACE, going to F major to ACF. Just move your pinky up to F. Remember, we're using the 1-3-5 grip. To GBD. Again, that repeats. GCE to ACE to ACF, GBD. Okay, and the last part of the song is the out chorus. These get 4 beats each, and it repeats twice, starting with a C chord with GCE, going to ACF, GCE, GBD, repeating with GCE, ACF, GCE, and GBD. Okay, let me go through it one time. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Again, we're using a 1-3-5 grip on ACE. Move your pinky up to F. Third time. C chord with GCE, GBD. Last time ACE. We're going to the bridge with DFA. Going to C, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, DFA, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, C, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, go to the chorus, C, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, A minor, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, F major, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, G major, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That repeats. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Going to the out chorus now. 1, 2, 3, 4. F, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. G, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. F, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. G, 2, 3, 4.